Alex Payne. I'm going to give you a little history lesson on Preacher Phineas James, son. See, I've been around the game for a while now, and when I first started wrestling, you know how many times I've heard, well, you know, you're kind of small, or you know, you don't quite have the look that we're looking for. So I was always cast aside for pretty sons of bitches look just like you. See, the wrestling that I grew up on, you didn't need to look like you came out of an Abercrombie catalog. All you needed was one thing, and that was the ability to kick someone's teeth in. And make no mistake, Alex, I have that ability. I am sick and tired of being overlooked. I am sick and tired of being pushed aside. 2014 is the year of the faithful. And for those of you fans watching, you're either faithful or you're worthless. Now back to you, Alex. On January 18th, you challenged me to a hardcore match. I have ended careers out there, Alex. And I have nothing left to lose, so I promise you, I am bringing everything, and I'm going to leave everything out in that ring. I am sick and tired, and I am going to carve my legacy, and it begins with you. So I have 3 things for you, Alex. Pray, make your peace with God, and goodbye.